Sea buckthorn oil offers a variety of vitamins and minerals, along with an array of omega fatty acids, including the rare omega-7. It contains over 190 bioactive nutrients. Taken internally, it offers comprehensive support from the inside out. Internal use also supports healthy skin and beauty. Sea buckthorn oil comes in two varieties, berry oil or seed oil, and both have their own benefits. When you work with sea buckthorn oil, you'll get a vast array of nutritional benefits. You can apply it topically without a carrier oil for cuts, wounds, healing, or general beauty enhancement. It can be taken internally for a plethora of health benefits. Sea Buck Wonder's pure oils are food grade, making them safe to take orally or slather on your skin. Not all sea buckthorn oil is safe to take orally. Always check the label before use. Sea buckthorn oil is great for boosting your favorite healthy smoothie and can be used in virtually any food or drink. Don't heat sea buckthorn oil because it could lose some of its nutrients. Sea buckthorn soft gels are the most convenient way to take sea buckthorn oil. For those who dislike the taste or texture of pure oil, the soft gels offer an alternative for internal use. Dr. Oz recommended 500 mg soft gels on his 2011 Sea Buckthorn segment. Fighting dryness is the #1 top reported benefit of sea buckthorn oil. Many use it to help with dry eyes, feminine dryness, and more. For dryness, the best way to take sea buckthorn oil is in soft gel form, or in pure oil form taken as an oral supplement. There are many options for using sea buckthorn oil topically. Pure oils make an excellent spot treatment on dark spots, acne, eczema, and wrinkles. Both kinds of pure sea buckthorn oil are very bright and highly pigmented. Stop by our website for more ideas on how to use pure oil topically. Our premium sea buckthorn infused skincare and pure oil serums make using sea buckthorn oil easy. Our lotions and cleanser contain a high amount of sea buckthorn oils. They were developed to balance all skin types using sea buckthorn's natural fatty acid complex. Our line of pure oil serums was developed to help specific skin types and needs. With sea buckthorn seed oil as a base, each serum has a different collection of premium plant-based oils and all natural sources for the key ingredients you're looking for. All Sea Buck Wonder skincare products provide enough sea buckthorn oil to transform your skin without any of the bright pigments found in the pure oils. They're the easiest way to nourish your skin with sea buckthorn every day. Not sure which kind of sea buckthorn oil is right for your needs? Check out our video on the difference between seed and berry oil to help you decide.